If you're seeking safe businesses that have a very high chance of succeeding, you've clicked the right video. However, I'd like to start by noting that there is no such thing as a business that never fails. There's always some risk when you're dealing with a business that might make you a lot of money. In fact, a well-known concept known as the risk-return trade-off posits that the potential return rises when the danger is increased. In this video, I'll be discussing the 5 most profitable businesses you can start right now without any prior experience. So sit back and relax while I show you how it's done. If you enjoy this sort of content, please like it, subscribe, and enable notifications so that you do not miss out on any new investing news and tips. Please keep in mind that the info in this video is educational content and not financial advice. It's popularly accepted that more than half of new enterprises fail within the first year. That's not necessarily true according to the United States Bureau of Labor Statistics. According to the BLS, roughly 20% of new firms fail in the first 2 years after inception, 45% during the first 5 years, and 65% within 10 years. Only 25% of new firms survive for more than 15 years. These figures haven't altered significantly over time and have been pretty steady throughout the 1990s. Despite the fact that chances are greater than what most people believe, many firms shut down in the United States every year. Don't give up yet, there are a few companies that do much better. It is beneficial to start a company that has a timeless quality to it if you want to be in your own business. Remember that it might take you 2, 3, or even more years to recoup your investment. As a result, you should not start a business that no one will care about in 2 or 3 years. You'll need a continuous supply of income, repeat clients, and a product or service that will continue to generate money in the future. Here are the top 10 business ideas that will never fail. Number 1, vending machine routes. You can get a vending machine for anywhere from $3,000 to $10,000, depending on its size and features, and just start selling immediately. After you've purchased your vending machine, the last thing you have to do is discover a well-trafficked site that will earn cash for you. That's all there is to it. Start with one machine and figure out how the company works before gradually increasing. If you follow these steps, you may be able to set up a vending machine empire that provides hundreds of dollars every month in mostly passive income. The odds of a machine vending business succeeding are extremely high, 90%. Number 2, cleaning services. Start your own cleaning business with affordable equipment, reliable transportation, and a little hard work. You can provide cleaning services for residential customers, office buildings, or special event venues. To get started, you will need to purchase some supplies and equipment, including a vacuum cleaner, mop, bucket, rags, and cleaning products. You may also need to invest in a vehicle to transport your supplies and equipment to and from job sites. Once you have the necessary supplies and equipment, you can start marketing your business by distributing flyers and business cards in your community. You can also build up a client base by offering discounts for referrals or for signing long-term contracts. With a little effort, you can build a successful cleaning business that provides quality services to customers and generates a steady income for you. The success rate for starting a cleaning business is very high, 95%. Number 3, personal training. If you're passionate about fitness and helping others achieve their fitness goals, then starting your own personal training business may be the perfect business idea for you. To get started, you will need to invest in some quality equipment, such as free weights, weight machines, and exercise mats. You will also need to obtain liability insurance to protect yourself and your clients in case of accident or injury. Once you have the necessary supplies and insurance, you can start marketing your business by creating a website or distributing flyers and business cards in your community. You can also build up your client base by offering discounts for referrals or for signing long-term contracts. With a little effort, you can build a successful personal training business that helps people achieve their fitness goals and generates a steady income for you. The success rate for starting a personal training business is high, 90%. If you've enjoyed this video so far and want to give the algorithm more data to crunch, consider clicking that like button as it helps our channel grow. Number 4, agriculture businesses. Agriculture is vital to the economy, providing food, fiber, and shelter. However, running a successful agriculture business can be a challenge. There are many factors to consider, from choosing the right crops or livestock to having the necessary equipment and supplies. There are also government regulations to follow and market conditions to monitor. But with careful planning and hard work, a successful agriculture business can be built. One of the first steps is to choose the right location. The climate and soil type will impact what crops or livestock can be raised. The proximity to markets is also important, as products will need to be transported to buyers. Once the location is chosen, the next step is to obtain the necessary permits and licenses. Then it's time to start planting or raising animals. With a little effort, you can build a successful agriculture business that provides healthy food and other products to consumers and generates a steady income for you. The success rate for starting an agriculture business is high, 8%. Number 5, dump truck businesses. If you live near a mining operation, there will be a constant demand for dump trucks to carry away coal or other materials being extracted from the site. The great news is that you don't need to spend millions of dollars to get started in the mining business. A used dump truck may be purchased for as little as $15,000. Dump trucks are adaptable. You are not restricted to working in the mining sector. Even if you live far from a mine, there may be a lot of need for your services coming from construction firms, landscapers, real estate flippers, as well as residential property owners who want to get rid of huge amounts of rubbish. The most important thing is to get started with a used truck that is in good condition. You should then work hard to maintain a good reputation by providing reliable and efficient services. Once you have established yourself in the business, you can expand your fleet by purchasing additional trucks. The key to success in the dump truck business is to provide a great service at a fair price. The success rate for starting a dump truck business is high, 90%. Number 6, online selling. Have you ever thought about starting your own business but didn't know where to start? Are you good at finding deals online and reselling them for a profit? If so, then starting an online selling business could be the perfect business for you. There are a few things you need to know before getting started, however. First, you need to find a niche market. What types of products do you want to sell? There are literally millions of products that can be sold online, so you need to narrow down your focus in order to be successful. Once you've found your niche, you need to create a website or online store. This will be the platform from which you will sell your products. You'll need to design your website, list your products, and set up a payment system. Once your website is up and running, you'll need to start promoting it. You can do this through online advertising, social media, or even by setting up a blog. The key to success with an online selling business is to find a niche market and then build a loyal customer base. The success rate for starting an online selling business is high, 97%. These are just a few of the many different businesses you can start with a high success rate. If you're looking for a way to be your own boss and earn a good income, then starting your own business is definitely the way to go. There are endless opportunities out there for entrepreneurs who are willing to put in the hard work. So what are you waiting for? Get started and make your dreams of owning your own business a reality. Thanks for watching. I hope these tips were helpful. Please like and subscribe if you want more content like this.